Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicwave.com. Today, Monday is almost finished. Trading day, trading time actually. It's 5 p.m. Eastern time. Was very busy, couldn't make this video earlier, but it is just the recap of the last week. Just wanted to show how we do what we do and what we did. So let's get started. Okay, this is let me show you first the way I trade and the way I teach. It's, I very strongly suggest and do follow the rule that we must watch these individual currency indexes. What it does is that it gives you an idea that what individual currency is doing, which currency is getting excuse me, is weaker and which is getting stronger, so you can trade against one strong currency against the weaker. Then you have more chance for a big move. Also, if you have one currency showing strength and the other weakening, and then you find a pair consist of both currencies, and you find a good setup, it's like a gold mine. Okay, so one of the currency, obviously the major currency, the top, the leader is the USDX, US dollar, and then the second is euro, pound, and second, third, fourth, euro, pound, and yen. Okay, these four currencies are the major, very important to watch. Basically, every other pair consists of these four. So what happened is that let's watch this one. USDX 4-hour chart was 14 February, right? So this is like a harmonic pattern. I do my analysis based on a lot of different studies. Harmonic patterns, which are the specific patterns with specific Fib calculations, Fibonacci tool calculations, and then you have Elliott waves, the same thing, just a little difference in shapes and understanding, but basically harmonic patterns and Elliott waves are basically the same thing. Just a little different way to look at them, that's all. And then you have trend lines and support resistance method, channeling, trend line, support resistance. So putting all these three things together, very easily I find these setups and figures. So this was kind of what you call is a butterfly pattern, and bullish butterfly pattern. So USDX 4-hour chart. So my take was like, okay, we're gonna go up. Once the pattern is finished, it goes the opposite direction as a reaction. So it's supposed to go the opposite direction. Another chart that I had, I don't know if I have it here or not, but like wave in Elliott wave perspective, which was like wave 1, 2, and 3, then we would go up for wave 4. Okay, that will be the reaction of this butterfly pattern anyway. So let me show you what happened after that is this. So we went up there even further. So now you can see that this butterfly had the reaction, and which was actually wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I says, well, we're gonna go down for a wave 5. And what happened after that is this. Okay, so we well, this is this. Okay, so we are still coming down, by the way. So this is and this is a very strong number, white line you can see here. So reacting 73, 74, so daily high. Okay, so this is how I track this USDX properly, and then when you track these just like that, this similar way, I have a very good tracking with the yen index. Right now it is ranging, and then euro, and then pound. So I know which currency is doing what and where it is going, which is getting stronger, which is getting weaker. So what happened, and then I have this my strategy to make a precise entry called magic wave. So now I call it a new magic wave with little variation and changes because MetaTrader and MT4, they're all making changes. So I said, well, let me make two. So let me show you what happened last week based on this and the yen index, and then USD index. See, when you do the index and then SNR levels on the pairs, it's very easy. See, this is a bounce, H4 trend line bounce here. So you draw these trend lines on H4 charts and daily and weekly SNR levels, and you know exactly where the pair is bouncing. So if it is bouncing, then we need to have a long setup. If it is getting rejected from a resistance, then we need to have a short setup. This is my setup. This is my strategy setup with the indicators in the bottom. So once this happens, okay, I'm expecting a bounce, the price bounces, goes, give me a setup, and boom, let's just go there. So this is how all the trades are going to see. They're like scattered everywhere. This is 27 USD. You can see the setup here, bouncing from there. This is H4 support bouncing from this number, goes up, give me a setup, 15-minute on 24. And this is Euro Yen 5-minute on 26. Again, getting rejected from somewhere and then came down, give me the setup. Look at it. This setup is just so similar. And it happens again and again in every pair. 5-minute or 15-minute. You just need to learn a little bit how to find them and how to take them. Look at this 27 Euro Yen 5-minute chart. This is so a lot of times people say, oh, the move has already happened, this and that. No, but you still have a chance, good chance to take. This one was eur-usd 5-minute. Look, February 26th, nice trade all the way down. It went down even further. Okay, so and this is eur-usd 5-minute on 27. So you see, and then that's the entry from 27. This one. See how much, more than 120 pips. We end up here somewhere, right? This is my SL. I just move ESL behind the price every time it makes a lower low and then makes a higher high. You go and sit below the low. So that's another. Okay, so this is how all of these entries, USD 5-minute, same thing. You see, this was the entry that I was taking. This is I'm sure that how do I take the entry and then put an SL right behind the wave and all that. So this is New Z on 27. Look, same setup, same look, same everything. It's just different time frames, different pairs. You'll see it if you need to watch them. That's all. If you need to make money, right? At least you got to do something. So this is it. This is the last week. Too many trades, a lot of them, and it's very easy. It's just a matter of learning. Let me tell you this. This is what is difficult and what is easy. The thing that seems difficult are the things that you don't know and you haven't learned yet. Once you learn, now those things becomes easy. Piece of cake. That's all there is. So you really want to learn. If you're doing fine, that's good. Keep doing whatever you're doing. But if you need to, get better in forex trading and start doing, profitable trading, go to my website and join my group. You saw just now what it is, and you will see a lot on my website, a lot. Not more than this. This is the myforexmagicwave.com, and then join us and you will do good. This is it for now. What else I want to show? No, forget it. That will be too much. So there's just a lot of different indexes and different. The setups never end. There's something always. So this is what I do. This is what I teach in my webinars, how to find and draw these trend lines, SNR levels. Nice, good one, the one we really need. The one will act as a support resistance. It's a lot of them like this one. People will say, oh, this is a high, but see, the price just simply disregarded. Okay, this one was the main thing. This was a trend line bounce from H4 chart. If you look at the H4 chart, you will see the price came, hit the TL bounce, goes above the wave, indicators are in line, and good to go. Okay, so this is it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.